Gree DC inverter AC F0 error code. The F0 error code on a Gree DC inverter AC usually indicates a communication error between the indoor unit and the outdoor unit of the air conditioner. This error can occur due to a number of reasons, such as a faulty wiring connection, a damaged control board, or a malfunctioning sensor. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the F0 error code on your Gree DC inverter AC. Number 1. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it from the power source. Number 2. Check all the wiring connections between the indoor and outdoor units and ensure that they are properly connected and not damaged or corroded. Number 3. Check the control board for any signs of damage or burn marks and replace it if necessary. Number 4. Check the temperature and humidity sensors on the indoor and outdoor units and replace them if necessary. Number 5. If none of the above steps work, it is recommended to contact a qualified technician to diagnose and fix the issue. It is important to address the F0 error code as soon as possible to prevent further damage to the air conditioner and ensure its proper functioning.